Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So here I'm going to write what is the register form and set builder form for the given sets. Normally the sets all will be there in register form. So this is the basic form for sets. Set builder form we have to write in somewhat different. So let's take set A will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. For this we have to write what is the set builder form. A will be equal to, you have to write set as it is. Then we have to take this what I told, this all are elements. So for elements you have to take some x. So for all elements, the set for all elements such that means we have to put colon such that x, what you can write the elements, which type you have to write. X is a natural number. X is natural number and divide and differentiate with comma. X is a natural number up to where it is there. So x less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5. This is the set builder form. Next question. So let's write B set as A, E, I, O, U. So for this, what is the set builder form? So I am written in roster form. We have to write same thing. Open that set and take x one element such that x is a vowel. X is a vowel in the English alphabet. X is a vowel in the English alphabet. This is the set builder form. Our next one will write C set will be equal to, what you can say is here something like DAMU. So DAMU. For this we have to write what is the set builder form. C will be equal to elements x such that for all x, x is a letter, x is a letter in the word DAMU. In the word DAMU. Next we are going to write some, we saw that elements and which are there in alphabet words type. Then we will see some calculations. So let's take even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. Then for this we have to write set builder form. How it is, how we need to write is, so D will be equal to open the set, that is the set for all x such that x is which type. X is a natural type. You can write this as 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a natural number. So x you can write it in the format of this one, take it as some n. 2 into n. 2 into n, that is 2n, comma, n belongs to which one? N belongs to natural number, comma, this n value will start from n is less than or equal to 5. So it will start from 1 natural number less than or equal to 5 by 5 here. So here up to 5 it is there. So maximum value is 5 here. Maximum value is 5 here. So like that we have to write. Next one. For odd numbers, what you can write here is E will be equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So what you can write is, here 1 is there, right? So 2 into 0 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1. So for 1 you can write like this, for 3 you can write, for 5 you can write, then 2 into 3 plus 1 for 7, 2 into 4 plus 1. So for this, what is the set builder form? let's write A will be equal to, open the set, for all x we can write such that like this also, one parallel pipeline, x such that x will be equal to what we can say 2n plus 1. So n start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, n such that n belongs to whole numbers. So n belongs to whole numbers, it's not started from 1, it started from 0. So for that n belongs to whole numbers, then n less than or equal to up to 4. So this is the way to write set builder form. Next example, we'll see f will be equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Then f will be equal to, open, x such that x is equal to 1 by n. Here you can write in the format of 1 by 1. That is, n belongs to natural numbers, n less than or equal to 5. Our next example is g will be equal to, what you can write, 2, 5, 10, 17. Then for g, set builder form x such that for all x will be equal to n square plus 1, n belongs to capital N, then n less than or equal to 4. N square plus 1 means, let's take here 1 square plus 1, comma 2 square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1. Why? Because here 1 square will be 1, then 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 square will be 4, 4 plus 1 will be 5, 3 square. For that n value we took 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, then n belongs to natural numbers. So this is the way to write roster form and set builder form. Then we'll check some small examples. Two more examples. H set will be equal to, let's write 0. Then h will be equal to, open, x such that x is, what you can say is here, x is an integer. X is an integer. You can write like word format, or you can write like this equation also. X is an integer and x plus 1 will be equal to 1. So if you add 0 here in the x plus, then it will be getting 1. So additive identity property. Like this we have to write all the set builder form and roster form. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.